Item 1 for motion.
My lord, may I make a mention in part 2?
Yes.
Item number 2. I'm
Item
appearing on
number
behalf
2.
of my senior, Mr. Caesar Ramchana,
What happened?
for petitioner. Today, he could not make it up, so if the matter could be taken up after a week.
What happened?
Actually, he has some personal emergency situation is coming
You
up.
see, because in the last court date,
Yes,
they
my lord.
had prayed for adjournment by fixing a certain date,
Yes,
isn't it?
only short time.
Okay, heard, Miss? Your
Mr.
good name?
Wadfeli.
Miss Rotfeli,
Yes,
is
ma'am.
it? Appearing on behalf of her senior, Mr. Sizoram Chana, learned counsel for the appellant for adjournment of the matter, since the learned counsel is not able to appear due to some personal difficulty. What about the respondents? Have you taken their consent?
Yes, ma'am.
She further submits that the consent of the respondents have also been taken. In view of the above, list after
A week, my lord.
1 week.
Much obliged.
Part 1 motion. Item 1.
So it appears we have some students as audience. Yes,
Yes, Your Lordship, the senior counsel could not appear today for some personal difficulties.
speak on the louder.
Senior counsel could not appear today for personal difficulties, and if this matter may kindly be listed after a week.
What personal difficulties?
Um,
What happened?
she have to attend her sister wedding today.
Mention is made on behalf of Miss Valentina Laldinpui, learned counsel for the petitioner, for adjournment of the matter, since the learned counsel is not able to appear due to some personal problem. In view of the above, list in the next week. Yes.
Like,
Admission. Item 2.
My Lord, I'm here on behalf of Miss Mary L. Kyangte.
What happened? All adjournments? Huh?
Yes, my Lord, due to some personal difficulties, she
What
cannot be here.
difficulty?
My Lord, I think it's a family matters.
What family matter?
I'm not sure, my Lord. And I
What
with
is the stage? All adjournments. Here, this court's last order. It was said that respondent number 5 shall be personally present through video conferencing if the matter, that is the show cause reply, is not filed by the respondent number 5. What is the matter about? What is the contempt about?
My lord, this contempt is memorandum of settlement between HPC and government of Mizoram. And page number 9 of the petition, there are two
Page
clauses.
number 9.
Page number 9, my lord. The first part of 5.1 is the second part of 5.1, clause 5.1.
Page number 9 of your petition, is it?
Yes, my lord.
Are we on the same page?
Yes, my lord.
Page number 9 is the judgment
Yes, my
of
lord.
this court. Yes.
Yes, my lord.
So,
Clause 5.1, second para is implemented. But the first para of clause 5.1 is not implemented, my lord. So, on 27 August 2024, instruction was given by this court to give information. But on that particular day, it was failed. Then on 28 August, again, another instruction was given. That one also failed. On
So
10
the state, number one, the first one, 5.1, the second part, okay, recognition of Mar language as one of the major language of the state of Mizoram. That's been done.
Yes,
Is
my
it?
lord.
Now, then the first part of 5.1, that is, the state government will initiate measures for use of Mar language as a medium of instruction up to primary level.
Yes, my
Where?
lord.
In the whole state of Mizoram?
Yes, but as per the judgment, my lord, it is in the state of Mizoram.
Mar language.
Yes, my lord. As per the judgment and order.
For use of Mar language as a medium of instruction, if it is required, isn't it, in certain schools?
Yes.
Medium of instruction in all the schools, that will not be possible. So it is as per the desire and aspiration of the Mar community in Mizoram. The state government will initiate measures for use of Mar language as a medium of instruction up to primarily level. That will be in, so you have the Mizo medium schools, and in certain schools you can also use Mar language. Maybe there will be a choice. Or you're going to impose the Mar language, is it?
Yes, my lord.
No, let's see the memorandum of settlement. Where's the memorandum of settlement?
It is in
Okay.
page number 19.
So,
my lord. No.
so for use of Mar language as a medium of instruction up to primary level and recognize. So this is to satisfy the aspiration of the Mar community. So if there is a certain Mar community in a certain region, then as per their desire, I have a feeling you can also use Mar language. Is
Yes,
it?
my lord.
How is this to be interpreted?
My lord,
The whole of Mizoram, you have to use Mar language, or for the Mar community, if they want, the medium of instruction can also be Mar language.
it can also be Mar language, but
There
my
are two
lord,
ways
as,
of interpreting this line.
my lord, as per clause 0.51, if we kindly allow me, I will just
Yes, please read.
with a new to satisfying the desire and aspirations of Mar community in Mizoram, the state government will initiate measure for use of Mar language as a medium of instruction up to primary level, and recognition of the Mar language as one of the major language of the state of Mizoram. As per the order, it is clearly that it is in the state of Mizoram.
So,
So,
it is recognized as one of the languages.
Yes,
Okay.
Mar language is recognized, my lord.
And
Let
we
them
will wait
try-
for some time.
Let them take time, but let them
So
implement, my lord.
you're also saying that they can take time. Time will be required because the text, the language, a lot of steps will have to be taken, isn't it?
Yes, my lord. And further, my lord, on 27 August also, direction was given by this court, and on 28 also.
So
then-
basically, the state government will have to inform this court as to what steps are being taken. Because this is not something which you can impose immediately. Okay, there will be textbooks that required to be, again printed in the Mar language, etc. So basically, you'll have to file an affidavit saying that you are taking steps, isn't it? Even if it has not been implemented yet, at least what steps are being taken by the state government. Yes.
And on the other hand, my lord, it is filed in 2019, and his contempt petition almost pending, including this year.
Yes,
6
so
year.
you will have to submit something, not adjourn the matter awaiting for what steps have been taken, isn't it?
Yes, my lord.
Even if it's not been implemented as per the order, at least what steps are taken, that should be shown. Here, show cause reply filed by respondents number 3 and 5. What have you stated here? Concerning declaring it as one of the major languages, that has been done, isn't it?
Yes, madam.
But the other part, that you have to also file an affidavit. Okay. Heard Mr. Neichunga Darlong, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that even though the Mar language has been declared as one of the major languages of the state of Mizoram. However, the first part of para 5.1 of the Memorandum of Settlement and as directed by this court, by its order dated 09/010/2018, has not been followed till date. No, I don't think it's this date. It will be order of this court. Writ petition is what number? Dated?
49 of 2017, WPC number 80 of 2016, my lord.
Wait, where's that? It is most likely to take, yes, order dated 04/09/2017 in WPC number 80 of 2016. Okay. Has not been followed till date. The learned counsel, however, submits that the use of Mar language as a medium of instruction up to primary level in the state of Mizoram is likely to take time. However, the state respondent number 5, is it?
Yes, madam.
Have not filed any show cause reply as to the steps taken till date. Miss
Itzy Deborah.
Deborah appears on behalf of Miss Mary L. Kiangte, learned government advocate, and submits that appears on behalf of Miss Mary L. Kiangte, learned counsel for respondent number 5, and submits that the learned counsel is not able to appear due to some personal problem. In view of the above submissions, the learned counsel for respondent number 5 is to file their show cause reply positively by the next date, showing as to what steps have been taken by the state respondents with regards to the first part of 5.1 of the Memorandum of Agreement and the direction passed by this court in the judgment and order dated 04 so-and-so, copy paste. Okay. Within 3 weeks. List after 3 weeks.
Much
Obliged.
Item
My lord, this matter is also taken up by Miss Mary. And with the consent of the other parties, may I make a similar prayer with the other?
Your Lordship.
So Miss Mary is appearing on behalf of respondent number
1 to 3. 1, 3, and 6.
who is appearing for respondent number 6.
Miss Mary.
Yes, you are?
Lordship, no objection to that, but my seniors would like to make further submission regarding that. So if this can be taken up after some time.
Who is your senior?
Mr. Victor Elrate, Lordship.
Okay. Time being matter.
Item number 4.
My lord, similar prayer.
Anyways, counsel for the petitioner is also absent, isn't it? You're appearing on behalf of Miss Valentina, or is your name here in the cause list?
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of my senior.
Yes. Your name is not there in the cause list?
Yes, Lordship.
No. Mr. Let's record your name. Mr.
Zai Tan Chunga.
Laltan Tsunga
Zai
appears.
Tan Chunga.
Zaitan Tsunga appears on behalf of his senior, Miss Valentina Laldinpui, learned counsel for the petitioner, while Miss
Itzi
Deborah
Deborah.
appears on behalf of Mrs. Mary L. Kyangte, learned counsel for respondents number 1 to 4, 9 to 12, and 14 to 15.
Yes, my lord.
The learned counsel for the respondents have prayed for further time to file their show cause reply. In view of the above, list after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
For order. Item 5.
Yes,
Your Lordship, in this matter, we have filed the additional affidavit with the permission of the Honorable Court. Your Lordship, in spite of the fact that we had filed additional affidavit, we need to file another additional affidavit.
what's the meaning of this? What happened?
Your Lordship, the matter which needs to be placed before Lordship has not been properly placed. Lordship, if that is permissible.
Condonation of 2,983 days.
Yes.
What happened? You were sleeping or what?
It's all because of the sickness, because of the fault on the part of the council also. Lordship, a number of things need to be addressed on that. Lordship, if
So after
permission
you
is
filed
given-
your additional affidavit, what happened? Some new developments happened or
Not-
what?
not new development.
Then?
some omission is there, if that is permitted, Your Lordship, because very vital information which need to be placed before the Honorable Court
Well, the
has
present case
not been
has,
placed.
the present case has repeatedly been adjourned for filing additional affidavit and
Yes.
so on and so forth. And
Now, in the last date, it was stated that final chance will be given to file an additional affidavit.
Right,
Yes,
So you
that we have
filed,
filed, yes.
so
have
that
filed.
has been filed. He has filed his additional affidavit.
right.
Now he wants to file another additional affidavit.
Yes.
I wonder if
In
it is
fact,
permissible.
In fact, the petitioner, the applicant.
Oh,
he
why
is-
don't you pray for an amendment of your additional affidavit,
Amendment.
or made some other changes, or to? No, that cannot be done. Also, you should have completed it when you filed the additional
That is
affidavit,
true. It's,
isn't it?
They have taken plenty of time, my lord, for filing the additional affidavit. And
So
on
they
going
have
through the...
filed one additional affidavit
Right.
last, since final chance was given.
apart from what they have filed as additional affidavit, I don't think they have any other valid reasons for filing any more documents, my lord.
So, is it concerning some facts or can it be highlighted at the time of hearing something?
What ought to have been
attached or
highlighted,
what?
what ought to have been highlighted was not highlighted, Lordship. The petitioner, the applicant, had gone through a rigorous heart surgery, which I was thinking that might have been there in the application for condonation.
Who
But
filed the first application? Who was
it
the counsel who
it was,
filed the
yes,
first
my
application?
junior, it was
Ah.
Zoram Chana.
Then you should have seen.
And in fact,
Without
today,
any medical documents, that's one of the
that
reasons.
has not been highlighted at all. And that was the major reason for the delay also.
Now here, in your first affidavit, in application, at page 8 of your first application, you have mentioned something saying that the applicant, due to his ailments,
Yes.
so won't that suffice?
Lordship, that needs some documentary support.
So you pray for time to file some documents by way of an affidavit, maybe to support. I mean, you have to make it slightly.
Lordship, that needs to be filed with affidavit.
So you file an. So the reason why you are praying for filing of an additional affidavit is because you want to bring on record certain documents.
Yes, yes.
We'll make it sound like that at least. Otherwise, another affidavit, it doesn't make any sense. Okay.
My lord, whatever, I mean, whichever the documents is to be filed has been filed as ongoing through the,
Let's see.
my lord, the
first
application,
application.
IA number 166 of 2023.
Heirship certificate has been filed, and
Well,
then let's see.
At page 18, this says, now he was talking about the medical certificate, which is to be filed.
Yes.
Here he has filed at page 18, discharge
18.
card, my lord. At page 18 of his application.
18. So
Page
you were in
18.
the
No, this is
hospital.
of
My lord.
2017.
Then,
So, so you
thereafter
have
also,
other medical.
Subsequent to that, yes.
subsequent to that also, they have filed whatever
have
they
you
have. At page 26 also, Department of Cardiology, discharge summary,
This is which year?
to 2023, my lord.
Very recent.
Yes, my lord.
See, you don't
And
have to file the
only
X-rays
2
and all
days.
that. We don't need all those, that detail.
Here
So what sort
also-
of medical document are you going to file now? A 2024 or what? What?
Of course, this is 23.
All those documents pertaining to his medical
You have
report
filed
have been
quite a
filed, my
few
lord.
years up to page. Now, in your application, you're going to say that he's still sick in the year, what, 2024 or also, is it? Sometime in the
No,
year.
Your Lordship,
This
this
is 20.
medical certificate
Up to 2023, September.
2020.
Page 28.
Yes. Anyway, Lordship, matter may be allowed to be adjourned. I'll have to take proper instruction from my client.
Instruction to what? Withdraw your IE? Okay, we'll allow in the next week. Since he's the one who is appealing, he's the appellant.
Well, the impugned judgment order was passed way back in 2015. And he came to the court after 8 years without any reasons for the delay.
That's
now-
why now he's filed an IA trying to give a reason. So let's see. We'll list it in the next week.
My lord, if that is the case, then I may be permitted to file objection against the additional
Yes, affidavit. that
affidavit
has-
filed by him, my lord.
Okay, heard Mr. Sila Ramzawa, learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr. J.M.L. Samswal, learned counsel, and Mr. L.H. Lianshima, learned senior counsel, assisted by
Miss Ruth Alwatfali.
Ruth Lalwatfeli, learned counsel. The learned counsel for the learned senior counsel for the applicant submits that he may be given time to get instructions from his client whether there is a requirement to file another additional affidavit to bring on record certain documents in support of his application, IA, okay, in support of his IA application, IA filed on interrogatory application, you can say that, okay, filed on, which is the first one? When did you file this? On 15 December 2023. Mr. L.H. Lianshima, learned senior counsel for the opposite party, has also prayed for time to file his written objection to the additional affidavit filed, okay, full stop. In view of the above, list this matter after 1 week?
All right,
That may not be sufficient.
After 2 weeks?
my lord.
Okay, after 2 weeks.
no offense.
Item
Oh,
6.
pleasure.
Yes,
Yes, Your Lordship, this matter is for continuation of delay of 897 days in filing regular first appeal.
will issue notice. What is the reason for delay? What is the appeal against?
The appeal case is Heirship, which was issued in one day. Two Heirship cases
Without notice?
without notice, yes.
On the same day the application was made, is it?
Yes, on the same date. Two Heirship certificate was issued on different dates.
Okay, we'll issue notice.
Yes, my lord.
Heard Mr. Lalpi and Fella Chongtu, learned counsel for the applicant, who has filed the instant application under Section 5 of the Limitation Act, 1963, for condonation of 897 days in delay in filing the connected appeal registered as RFA number 34/2024 against the
In page number 3, my lord, of my application. In para 2, I have mentioned.
against the Heirship certificate number 27/2022 and Heirship certificate number 1856/2022 dated 20/1/2022 and 11/11/2022 respectively, passed by the Court of Senior Civil Judge -2, Izor. Stop. Next para. Issue notice to the respondents through registered post with AD within 3 days, returnable by 3 weeks. List after 3 weeks.
Obliged, my lord.
For admission, item 3.
Yes, where's your counsel?
Your Lordship, he's still on desk on the other court.
Then since the counsel for the respondent is also not there, we'll list some other day. Mention is made On behalf of Mrs. Mary L. Kiangte, Learned Counsel for respondent number
Three.
Three?
1 to 3 and 6.
Learned Counsel for respondents number 1 to 3 and 6 for adjournment of the matter and for further date for filing of the show cause reply. Miss
K. Venetia,
Gay Venetia appears on behalf of Mr.
Victor El Ralte.
Victor El Ralte, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and submits that the Learned Counsel for the petitioner is on legs in the other court. In view of the above submissions, list after 2 weeks.
Oblige.
No hearing matter?